Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can customize notification sounds on Android phone. Let's get started. First of all, go to your settings app on your Android phone. Then you have to click on sounds and vibration. It's over here. And since we want to customize the notification sound, we can click on notification sound. Then choose the SIM card that you want to customize the notification sound. And for example, I'm just going to click on SIM 2. Then select the notification sound that you like. And for me, I'm just going to choose Milky Way. Then just click on it. Then we can go back to the previous menu. And now the notification sound has been changed, and that's how we can customize notification sounds on Android phone. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.